claims. The Forgotten Frontier. These are the voyages of the brand ship Degree. Our continuing mission is to seek out new consumers and stop their sweat. To boldly and legally go where no claim has gone before. Captain's log, Degree brand date 9711.01. After gaining a 15% share with a fire campaign, Degree's share is now as flat as Wentz's forehead. We need a new, more powerful claim that is on strategy or the brand's profits won't survive. Of course, the evil Proctoids may not let us get past the NAD zone. Market research, what is our position?
Baseline share is beginning to erode. Advertising worn out. Secret taking back our consumers.
Captain, I'm getting a strange, unidentifiable signal. I can't seem to make it out.
Put it on the screen, please.
Who, what,
I
when,
said
where,
it would
why.
work with this guy again.
That's the answer,
Full
guy.
phasers. Yes! Bridge to Chief Agency Engineer Patty.
Aye, Captain.
We need more power in our advertising. Our share orbit is starting to slip.
Andy, I'm giving it all she's got. We can't defy the laws of the galaxy. We need something new and compelling and true to say about Degree.
Dr. Ike, to the bridge, please.
Andy, you look a little pale. Maybe you should be taking off one or two of those task forces.
That might help, but I'm really worried about Degree. Is there any important new product technology or a physiological insight that could give us a preemptive strike for Degree?
Damn it, Andy. We just gave you a complete brand upgrade 9 months ago. I'm just a country chemist, not an advertising agency. I'll see what I can do.
Chemist, I suggest that you learn to control your emotions, for they will be your undoing. Your mission is to bring more power to Degree. I advise you to return to your duties and to keep us advised of your progress.
Andy, don't let this pointy-eared, cold-blooded legal mousetrap ruin our discoveries. He's about as interesting as the sex life of a protozoa.
Chemist, there is no reason to be insulting. Everything I say is completely logical, combining law with reason. That is my role.
Remember, Dr. Ike, he is a lawyer, but he's half human, too. Captain's log, Degree brand date 9712.08. After brainstorming with research, the agency, and marketing, several interesting discoveries have emerged. Now we must determine which advertising claim is most likely to give the needed techno-charge for Degree.
The agency really likes the dilithium crystal support for dimensionalizing how Degree is the only brand that stops sweat 100%.
Fascinating, but it is logical to assume that the Proctoids and NADites will counterattack.
Patty, our sensory tricorder can't support all of these ideas you came up with, especially on this warp speed timing. Which idea do you want us to work on?
Market research recommends an immediate consumer brain scan to determine which claim will best deliver our mission, higher persuasion to buy Degree.
Captain, I'm getting a priority 1 hailing from Marketing Vector Command. It's Commodore Frank and his High Counsel, Dr. No.
Put them on the screen.
Andy, your crew appears to be heading into an area of claim support danger. I'm concerned we don't have the firepower to forge a long battle on the AP front, especially after all the out-of-stocks. Before you move into the network system, I want to make sure we're really ready. I also want to remind you of the importance of this mission. Any network or NAD violations or not regaining degree momentum could cost us an entire vector. Remember, the Bradonians, they want us to focus on hair care and only hair care. Oh, and just make sure there's a technical underpinning that will fit into packaging and promotions and integrate with everything we do. High Counsel, Dr. No, can you support claim option number 1?
No.
Claim option number 2?
No.
Claim option number 3?
No.
The very popular claim option number 4?
Definitely not number 4.
Claim option number 5?
No. Only if you remove the reference to degree.
Claim option number 6?
No.
Sorry, Commodore, but your reception seems to be breaking up. Thank you for that counsel. Captain's log, degree brand date 9801.20. We've agreed to a new claim that market research projects will take us to a 30% share. Now, if only we can get it approved.
Launching claim probe to network solar system.
Wentz, when do you estimate we'll arrive at network approval?
Difficult to estimate, Captain, but I would say in 2.5734 days.
Captain, here's the drink you requested.
Captain, I see you didn't learn anything at our sexual harassment seminar.
Captain, I'm getting an urgent signal from the networks.
On screen.
Friendship degree. We will not permit you in the network system. You have not adequately substantiated your claim. We understand your technical information, but we require consumer perception data. Also, we believe this to be a drug claim, a clear violation of network system regulations.
Captain, I believe that if we submit our consumer preference data and modify our wording just a bit, we will gain approval.
Captain, I'm getting another message from Marketing Fleet Command.
Yes, Commodore, can we help you?
I've been monitoring your conversations, and I'm really uncomfortable with Wentz's solution. Are you sure there's really a product difference here?
Commodore, the formulas have been completely revamped with ingenious dilithium crystals.
In that case, you may proceed.
Understood. Prepare new claims probe for networks.
Launching new claims probe.
Captain, I'm getting a signal from the networks. They say, substantiation received and approved, you may proceed.
Captain's log, degree claim date 9802.14. We've progressed aggressively with the networks, and our customers and consumers are already responding. We wait for more significant resistance. All hands, this is the captain. We've entered the network system. Please be prepared for large orders, huge share and shipment advances, but also counterattacks from competitors. Oh, and we'll probably get an attaboy letter from the Marketing Fleet Command.
I can't believe we got away with that claim, Andy.
Wentz, damage report.
Captain, we were hit by a call from the NADites asking to review our claims. Damage appears to be minimal at this time.
Wentz, tell the crew I don't want any of this in writing. Why don't you and Ike take a landing party to go visit our NADite friends?
Agreed, sir. Ma'am.
Is everyone all right?
Captain, the Proctoids are hailing us.
On screen.
Prepare to attack. Death before we lose share to Helene Curtis. Cease all your claims against Secret. We know that our technology is better than your puny degree. If you do not cease, we will take all possible legal action. Grrr!
Market research. Have you tested their new formula?
Affirmative. We continue to enjoy overall preference at the 95% confidence level.
We beat them on our clinical measures, too.
Captain, I recommend that we disclose our data and we continue to run our ads.
I will inform Marketing Fleet Command and get their approval. Prepare disclosure of claim substantiation.
Targeting the Proctoid Empire.
Fire full force. Let's get those Proctoids. So, Patty, can the ship handle a $30 billion advertising budget?
Aye, Captain, with pleasure. But only if I can wear a longer skirt in the next training video.
We'll have to run that one by Wentz.
Wentz, it looks like you will be off on vacation.
Yes, I will, chemist. And may our claims live long and prosper. Forget it.
Captain's log, degree brand date 9804.20. The Proctoids are testing 2 new formulas, but Degree's market share has just passed 25%. We'll be in another battle soon, but our communication strategy is sound. Creativity, aggressiveness, teamwork, and timely action will always win out. Now, to discover our next new claim.